everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with my first plan with me for 2020, which is very exciting. I'm planning in my Otto business planner from Officeworks. It is the geometric cover, but I have put my own cover on this, as you could see at the beginning. And I'm just working on the January monthly spread. So I've made myself a little printable. Yeah, as you can see there, I cut it out of my silhouette. I use the Cocoa Vanilla Studio Hello Sunshine digital collection to make this. I'll leave the link to that in the description box, but I just went ahead in my Silhouette Studio software and measured out the boxes that I wanted and used some pattern papers and some graphics from the collection, and yeah, just made up a really basic monthly kit for my planner. So I am just putting down some date covers now. They're just to cover up the days of the week. There's kind of like a big gap at the top, which I didn't love, so I've just made these a little bit wider and I've changed the color to a nice peach. As you can also see, my silhouette has basically made sticker flakes out of all my stickers. I use a really quite thin cheap paper, so yeah, there's nothing I can do to make my silhouette not cut straight through it, but I just use the edge of my X-Acto knife to peel off the backing paper, and it's just fine. So this is going to be a super speedy video. It's very, very basic. I'm just putting in a little bit of decoration and my major appointments. So I'm going to pop the rest of the video on fast forward. I will pop all the names of the shop on the screen. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.